My name is Chris Conlon. I'm a software engineer at wolfSSL. I'm going to give you an overview of wolfSSL as a company, as well as our main product, wolfSSL, which is our Embedded SSL library. So wolfSSL as a company was founded in 2004. We're headquartered in Seattle, Washington, and have development offices in Bozeman, Montana, and Portland, Oregon. We focus on open source embedded security. SSL and crypto is a very horizontal technology, so we end up in a lot of different markets and a lot of different platforms. Our main product is wolfSSL. It's our embedded and lightweight SSL and TLS library. We're working on going through our 5th certification process at the moment. Our other products include wolfCrypt, which is a cryptography library, wolfSSH, wolfSCEP, an SSL inspection utility, and YASL, which is our original SSL library written in C++. We're a pretty rapidly growing company. We started in 2009-10 with 3 employees, and today we're over 15. We have over 150 customers and 10 resale partners. So wolfSSL is our main product. Our SSL and TLS library. It's written in C and supports the most current standards of TLS up to TLS 1.2 and DTLS 1.2. One of our main design goals has been minimizing resource usage as well as maintaining maximum portability. So the minimum footprint size of wolfSSL is 20 to 100 kilobytes, with RAM usage varying between 1 and 36 kilobytes per SSL session. Some other highlights in our feature set include OpenSSL compatibility layer, pretty tight integration with hardware cryptography modules, including the 632MZ. Suite B compatibility, our FIPS 140-2 certification is in progress, and we're also dual licensed under both the GPL version 2 as well as the commercial license. On this slide, you can see the current algorithms we support in wolfSSL and wolfCrypt. It includes all of your standard crypto algorithms as well as some progressive ones such as SHA-20, Poly 1305, and the SHA-3 finalist Blake 2B. The algorithms in red are able to be offloaded into the 632MZ hardware crypto module, and so that provides advantages in performance as well as code size reduction. Here you can see the difference in performance that makes. So the blue bars are crypto being done in our software module. The red bars are throughput in megabytes per second when offloaded into the 632MZ hardware crypto module. As Kurt mentioned, we've done lots of integration with Microchip to make sure that wolfSSL and wolfCrypt work seamlessly with the MPLAB Harmony configurator. So wolfCrypt can be found under the Harmony Framework configuration section called Cryptographic Crypto Library. wolfSSL is what's formerly known as CYASL, and that's located under the third-party libraries TCP/IP and CYASL. And so we've tried to make this easy to use and provide several different options for configuring both the feature set as well as the memory usage. So you might ask yourself, why use wolfSSL instead of another SSL library? It's been written from the ground up in 2004, and so wolfSSL owns the copyright, and it's consistent throughout the code base. wolfSSL has been built for portability, modularity, and performance. We have a strong collaborative partnership with Microchip, and we've done a lot of work with them to make sure it works with MPLAB Harmony as well as prior versions, MPLAB X. We have a strong commitment to adding new ciphers and new features as they come out. We were the first ones to adopt TLS 1.2 and DTLS 1.2, and we hope to be the first one to implement TLS 1.3 when that specification is finalized. We've also been vetted out since 2006 by our user base, as well as our open source community and professional security groups. So you can rest assured that we've had a lot of eyes on our code base and a lot of very smart security groups auditing our code. So with that, I'd like to wrap up my section. You can either reach out over this webinar with questions or email us at info@wolfssl.com or support@wolfssl.com.